Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my Galaxy Note 20 bundle. And I say it's a bundle because I got a bunch of them together. Actually, this all cost roughly around $1,700. I know that's a lot, but when I was getting it, it was like a deal. So it was like if you buy the Note 20, I got the Note 20 Ultra, then you would get a couple $100 off the watch. So I ended up getting the Watch 3. And then for pre-ordering, they were giving out $100 to spend in their store. So I ended up getting the Galaxy Buds Live. So this right here is the bundle. This is the retail boxing, and this is what comes in the box and what they look like. Real quick, if you guys follow my channel and you guys are a subscriber, you guys know that I like smaller phones. That's why I have my Pixel 4 and not the XL, and that's also why I rock a Galaxy S20 and not the other big ones. But this year I wanted to try something different. I wanted to go big and get a bigger phone. So we'll see how that goes, and I will be doing a review on all these products. So if you guys are interested in that, you can subscribe to the channel. Anyway, let's move this aside and start with the watch. So recently I've been rocking the Skagen Falster watch, and this thing is pretty awesome. I love it. The only thing that I did is change the band. I got the sport band because I didn't like the band that came with it, but I've been having this or rocking this for about a month now, and I'll probably do a video on that. Anyway, let's see what this looks like. So here's the box, and it's nice and white at the front. It says Watch 3, and then the back is black. So they have two different colors for the boxes. That's kind of interesting. But let's open this up, and you will be greeted right away with the watch. And then in here you have a box. So if we take that box out, then I believe right here is the charging cable. Yeah, so it's one of those like wireless charging, like a puck. So this is the charging cable, and you just plug it in to a wall brick, and then you go ahead and charge your watch. So first impressions of the watch. It feels good. It feels nice. It's got like premium build to it, and I like that. I almost feel like this is like an everyday watch right here, and then this is more like night out in town. Not that we could do that anymore, but that's what I'm getting the vibe from it. It also has that crown that spins, or that dial, so that's awesome. I've never actually owned a watch with a dial, so that'll be interesting to use. And you got this nice leather band. So overall, it feels good, it looks nice, and it feels like very premium. So that's the watch. That's what comes in the box. Let's put that aside. And then we got the Galaxy Buds Live right here. So if we open this box, right away you're greeted with the Galaxy Buds, and they are in this little sleeve. So let's take that off, put them aside, see what else comes in this box. And you get this little guy right here. And if I open this up, it's the charging cable. You get a USB-C to USB charging cable, and that's just to charge the back right here, USB-C. But I believe this is also wireless charging, so you could go ahead and go with that. And then something else you get in here is these little tips. If I can get them out. So these little tips look like they're tips that go in the earbuds. I'll have to figure out how that works, because these earbuds are not shaped like the typical earbuds that we have been used to, like since the AirPods with the stem and the piece that goes in the ear. They're more like jelly beans, honestly, and that's very interesting. I love it when companies start making, like, you know, pushing the envelope in design, and I like the way these are designed. So left side, right side, let's see how they fit. Oh, they fit nice. Okay, these fit really nice. Like, you guys could see it in the video. I don't know if you can, but these fit really nice. And so far, they're not coming out. They don't seem to be giving me ear fatigue, and they're real comfortable. Here's a hot take. I'm gonna go out on a limb right here. After about 10 seconds or 15 seconds of wearing them, I think they're more comfortable than the AirPods, the original AirPods. They're a different style from the Pros, because the Pros have that suction piece that goes in your ear, like the tip, the Comply tip, or the foam tip, whatever it's called. So that's different, but these don't go in the ear. They just sit on the ear, if that makes sense. So I can only compare them to the original AirPods, and they feel a lot more comfortable. You know what? I could just sit here and do the rest of the video with them on. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's put all this stuff aside. And then finally, the star of the show, should I say, we have the Note 20 Ultra 5G black box. I already went ahead and cut these little pieces off camera so I can make the video streamlined. And I went ahead and got the 128 gigs of storage because I figured I don't need any more than that. Everything else is stored on the cloud these days. So in here, you get the SIM eject tool. And then right under that, you just get some paperwork, terms and conditions, all the goodies, all the stuff that nobody really reads. So we'll put that back in here. And then over here, get this piece of paper and then the actual phone. So I went ahead and went with the black one, and I already took the paper off and played around with it. Just like physically, I haven't turned it on and set it up, anything like that. It does attract magnets. I mean fingerprints. It's a fingerprint magnet. So I could already see that, and I'm gonna have to be cleaning it. It's like a mirror finish. Like, I don't know if you guys could see yourselves. Where's the camera? Ooh, oh, there's the camera. There's the camera. Anyway, it's a mirror finish. This hump though, this hump is huge. It's hard to show you on camera, but this hump is ridiculous. Like, and this phone, the whole thing is big. Like, initial impressions, I can't get to everywhere that I need to get to. In terms of size wise, there it is next to the Galaxy S20. And if you guys could see on camera, that hump right there, like the thickness of it, right? Let me see if I can get the thickness in there. I don't know. I can't seem to get the thickness. I'll probably get better footage and better shots when I'm doing the full review. But that's the size-wise comparison. With the Galaxy, I could like basically reach the two sides, and then in order for me to reach the top, it's just one little stretch. With this guy, I cannot reach the other side, and then no matter how much I stretch, I'm still like short. And then this is how it feels compared to the Pixel 4. So size-wise, you guys can see that this right here, it's huge. It's a big difference. And once again, like I said, it's a mirror finish. You guys could see the camera up there. But that's how this looks. So overall, it's gonna be interesting. You got the S Pen, and then the S Pen, they moved it. It used to be right here on the right hand side, but now it's like on the left hand side. So it's a little bit different, but still feels like the regular S Pen. And yeah, I'm gonna do a review on this guy. Let's see what else comes in the box. I know right away we jumped to the phone, but in the box you also get charging brick, USB-C. You get a little piece middle divider here. It really doesn't serve any purpose other than dividing the box. Then you get this top part, and this part has your USB charging cable, USB-C cable. One thing that's interesting is they don't have USB-C like wired earbuds or wired headphones. Most of the time phones would come with that, but I guess they're not doing that anymore. Now, that's interesting. I don't remember if I got that with the Galaxy S20 when I picked it up. I'll have to go back and watch my video or check the box. But that's what you get in the box. So these things are super comfortable. I don't know how many times I could say that, but they are super comfortable. They're not falling off. I'm shaking my head, and I could sit here and talk to you guys for hours and probably wear them. The watch looks really nice. Oh, almost dropped it. So I can't wait to play around with it. And then the phone is just magnificent. Like, I don't know, it's big. So we'll see if it's worth that. Like, I think it's $1,400 or something like that. I'll have the price up on the screen by itself, but we'll see if it's worth it and if it actually performs that well. Anyway, that was the unboxing of my Galaxy S20 Ultra bundle that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.